Okay guys, so I fixed it. Turns out it's just a few rocks in there. See, it's beautiful now. Hold on. Let me get this on the jet. See, no more. That's got a bit of leakage, but it's working pretty good. It's got some distance. I want to get that bucket full of water. The blue bucket. Yes, filling it. I think I is filling it. Bill Nye the Asian guy. Oh yeah, I definitely hit. I could hear that. Just making sure we're not walking through any bees. Alright, let's see how much I filled this crap hold. Oh yeah, that's right, it has holes in it. Barely any water. That's horrible. Alright, let's go check out my board, see what happens. See if it's still running good. You can smell that cigar. Whoa, big spider web right there. Oh, come on. What is the deal with this crap? Why does this keep on happening? Why? What did this thing ever do to you? Alright guys, hold up. It's gonna plop you right down here. I can fix it! Bunch of baloney. Seriously, I don't get it. Whatever happens? What happens? So it just like fall in a weird position? I don't get it. Ah. Oh, wait. Crap. Oh crap. Alright, I need another board. Ow. To hold it up. What? Frankie! I see my fat boy. I call him Fat Boy, that's his nickname. Frankie! Just trying to clean it up. Look at him. Frankie, hey. Hey, boy. What's up? What you doing down here? You guys saw the video earlier. What you doing, boy? He's my cat. And yes, I call my cat Fat Boy. Frankie! What you doing? What you doing, Papa? Frank? Come on out. Let's go. Yes, boy. Say hi. Say hi. Frankadoodles, say hi. Can you say hi? Hey, Frankie. I don't want to wait no longer. Say hi. Oh, elevator butt. Frankie. Say hi to the camera. Hi, that's right. I forget, I gotta get out of here. Too many spiders for me. Whoa. Keep on forgetting about that big divot hole. Whoa. Woo. That felt good. Frankie, he turned around. Frankie, come here, boy. Come here. Come here, Frankie. Frankie Doodles. Frankie. Come here, boy. Come on. Come here, Frankies. Come here. I know, guys, this might be boring, just trying to get my cat to come, but it's entertaining for me because I get to hang out with you guys. Any cats? Gary the Goat just uploaded a video. Oh, big yawn. Come here. Frankie, if I come closer, you gotta come closer. Nope. You gonna go out? Yes. Good. Now we can go play with him. I see you. I see you, Mamushki. Oh, he went up here. Hey, fat boy. Hey, whoa. Hey, fatty. All right, go on. Bye-bye. As you can guys see, it's a cloudless day. It's nice out here. Beautiful. Helicopters going nuts at the airport. Alright, let's go back to Mandy and dandying with my fort. Let's go hang out. I haven't been in here in a while. Actually, fort seems a lot different. I got my firewood, my safety stuff. Ooh. Just a secret between me and you guys. I know my dad's going to see this anyways. But I have these over here so that he won't take them. Because usually I can't find them. I think I lost them. And then I find them in the garage where I put them back. Oh, hey, look at the little beetle. Hi, puppy. Why did you call that thing a puppy? That was lame. Can't read that. I still haven't marked off all the days. I've only marked the first 3 days. Got my little time flies up there. It's awesome. The password to the fort is lobster. Members, Chris and Luke. This thing fell. That's what's wrong. No, was that supposed to be there? That was supposed to be like this, wasn't it? Something's not right. Something here fell. I bet it was this. I bet it was this big old turd. Fell down. That's not right. It's probably, whoa! My flip-flop just came off. Shake that dirt off. The fudge. That's not right. There's a big hole now in my fort. There's like a little window right there to say hi to my cats. Alright, that's enough of the fort for today. Gets boring, peeps. Trust me, it gets boring. Very, very boring. Look up first. Welcome. Password. If anybody's not stupid, they'll know that the password is right there. Highly doubt anyone on this in the world will see this video, and if they do, I know for sure that they won't come to my house because they don't know where I live, which is good. So guys, today is Wednesday for me and for you. I didn't like make this video on Tuesday and saying it's Wednesday because I'm uploading it on Wednesday. It's Wednesday right now. And you know what it's a week from right now? I'm very happy because it's a week from my 12th birthday. That's right, I'm turning 12. So yeah, that's happening. I'm gonna be older. The fudge! All this stuff keeps on touching me. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today. I might make another video later on. Stay awesome. Stay sexy. Be cool. Love you guys. Peace out.